So hello and welcome back. Today we are going to show how to mount the controller to our new upper chassis. So you should see in the new upper chassis, there's a square here. And this square affords modularity so that you can attach whichever mount you want for the controller you want. So in this case, this is a Lilybot top. So you could put a Pico on it, a Nano, a Mega, or whatever. But since we're going to put an Arduino Uno on it, I'm going to put in the Arduino Uno cap, and then I'm going to attach the Arduino Uno. So the first thing you do is, if you flip the upper chassis over, you'll see that the two mounting holes are here. So I want to mount this so that the words Uno are the same direction as Lilybot. So I'm going to mount it that direction, and then flip it over. And then you're going to put in the screw holes to attach it to the chassis. So I'll put in the first screw. And then flip it over. And now we have the controller mount for our Arduino Uno. So the next step is to actually attach the Uno. The Uno has 4 mounting holes, but you really only need to use 2 of them. So we pick any 2 off one of the diagonals. So you just go ahead and you line up all the holes. And then you select either 2 you want. So I would either do this one and that one, or this one and that one. I'm going to do these 2. So I'm now going to put one screw here. And notice that it's a little bit off center because we want to make sure that when you mount your sensors later that the programming cord is not covering the holes. So that's why it's a little bit on a diagonal and it's not straight, because we want to make sure that you're able to still access the mounting holes even when you have the controller connected. There may be some flexibility in the plates based upon the size and dimensions of the controller, but that's how we decide where we put the mounting holes. You put them in a certain way so that you can program it and still have access to all the peripheral holes. Okay, and there is our controller mounted to the top of Lilybot.